Let's build your financial future. New to Canada and unsure about building credit? You're not alone. It's like starting a new game. New rules, new challenges, and big rewards. I'll be your guide on this journey to financial success. Think of me as your friendly neighborhood financial coach, here to help you navigate credit in Canada. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to building a strong credit history and open doors to amazing opportunities. So let's dive in and get you started on the right foot. What is a credit score? Simply put, it's your financial report card. Lenders use it to decide if you're trustworthy with money. A good score means better loan approvals, lower interest rates, and even better rental options. You might even pay less for insurance or qualify for more job opportunities. Building good credit is essential for reaching your financial goals in Canada. Let's see how you can get there. Worried about having no credit history? Don't be. Many newcomers start with a clean slate. It's your chance to build a positive credit history from the ground up. The key is to be proactive and start good credit habits early. Don't get discouraged if you've been denied credit before. With time and effort, you'll build a solid foundation. Let's learn the basics and get you fluent in the language of good credit. One of the best ways to build credit from scratch is with a secured credit card. It's like a training wheels card for people with little or no credit history. You put down a security deposit, which becomes your credit limit. Use the card for everyday purchases and pay your balance in full each month. The lender reports your payments to the credit bureaus, helping you build a positive score. Secured cards are a low-risk way to show you're a responsible borrower. Use it wisely and make on-time payments. You'll be on your way to excellent credit. Now let's talk about the best secured card in Canada, the Neo Secured Card. No credit checks, high cashback rewards, and flexible deposits starting at just $50. Neo reports to both major credit bureaus, helping you build credit fast. It's the ultimate tool for jumpstarting your credit journey in Canada. Getting your Neo Secured Card is just the first step. Using it wisely is key. Treat it like a debit card. Only spend what you can repay in full each month. Pay your balance in full and on time. Payment history is the biggest factor in your score. Set up automatic payments to avoid missing due dates. Keep your credit utilization low. Aim for under 30% of your limit. For example, if your limit is $500, try not to spend more than $150 at a time. Don't close your oldest credit accounts. Keeping them open helps your score. Even if you upgrade later, consider keeping your Neo Secured Card open. Follow these tips and you'll build a stellar credit history. Responsible use is your ticket to long-term financial success. Building good credit takes time, but you can speed things up with smart strategies. Always pay your bills on time: rent, utilities, phone bills, everything. Automate payments or set reminders so you never miss a due date. Avoid applying for too much credit at once. Each application can lower your score temporarily. Only apply when you really need it. Consider becoming an authorized user on a trusted friend or family member's credit card. Their positive payment history can boost your score. Remember, building credit is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent and watch your score climb. Secured cards are great, but there are other tools to strengthen your credit. Try Credit Builder loans. Borrow a small amount, make regular payments, and get the funds at the end. Rent reporting services can add your on-time rent payments to your credit report. Diversifying your credit mix shows lenders you're responsible across different platforms. The more positive history you build, the better your credit profile. Explore these options to round out your credit journey. You're now ready to start your credit-building journey in Canada. Building good credit is an investment in your future. Don't wait to get started. Apply for your Neo Secured Card today and take the first step toward financial freedom. Good luck and happy credit building. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.